You done Sepulture? Yeah, I did. I did do the Sepulture. The easy Sepulture run? Yes, I did it. I completed it. Oh my god. Imagine, I completed the easy Sepulture run, bro. You should be proud of me. That would be a good test of left-hand coordination. It's on the list. If you thought of something and it's not on the list, then that's weird. Because oh my god, no, bro. Don't be annoying. Don't be annoying. I actually, everyone's just like, is this on the list? Is this on the list? I've actually put a lot of thought into the list. No floor 5 yet, though? Yeah, because I'm on the easy list. That goes, that's on like, I think it's like Grandmaster or something. I don't know. God damn, I need to use a burrito. So I'm reading chat too much. You guys just distract me. It's come on the list. You guys are normal, I guess. Yes, come is on the list, bro. You think I wouldn't add come to the list, bro? Who do you think I am, bro? Gotta add come to the list, bro. What category? It's on the hidden category where you guys can't see, though. Grandma's Huggies on the list. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Why did I walk on that one, Autumn? I'm getting distracted. You guys are distracting me too much. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I'm gonna kill Zebek. Shut up. Stop. Stop talking. Thank you. Grandma needs Huggies. Why in what world would I ever take chaos over life here? Like what? Hello game, you're a bit stupid if you think I wouldn't take the goddamn life. You silly, you sussy buck, are you? Oh, okay, no, I'm gonna block this one. I'm gonna block this one. I'm gonna block the left hand side and I'm gonna see. I haven't done it, but okay. Apparently you can organize this inventory like this. So you put the ambrosias first, and then you put the... Wait, no. You put this first. Oh my god! It lags. Saucy bucka. Saucy bucka. Holy shit, look at my hits, bros. Impeccable, honestly. I'm hitting so big. Okay, that should be good enough. Jinxed it. Jinx you, bro. Never talk to about my mum's husband's wife ever again. Like that. Oh, my poor little saucy face. I did not use any supplies for this raid, hey. Wow, I want to up it to 250 next raid, to see. This was like an extraordinary, I feel like they nerfed a lot, is what I'm gonna say. God damn it, man, like, any hitters? This pillar is my worst enemy in this raid. I swear to God, bro. The obelisk is, I just never hit it. Apparently you're meant to BGS spec it. I'm gonna try that next time. I mean, you can BGS spec it. Okay, now. Oh yeah, it spawns this one now. What's this one having different to the other one? Oh, it stands still. bit easier, isn't it? Oh, we got the easy one. It's just, the downside is you start with, fuck. Oh, I actually did. You start with, what's that? Right. You start with mage, which is obviously the downside, because my mage is level 6. I think you can get a hit in here now. Yes! I'm learning from all the streams that I couldn't play. I'm